Hello friends, today we are repairing Honor X8, TFY-LX1. We will replace the glass on the camera and the display module. As you can see, the picture is there, but the phone does not respond to touch. If you look closely you can see a dark spot on the side of the screen. Most likely the blow hit this place and because of this the touchscreen stopped working. Therefore, we will change the entire display module. Please note that the phone is cracked and bent. Even the lid came off on the back side. It was bent very strongly. It is clear that it is not straight. You'll have to bend the body. If that doesn't work, you'll have to buy a new frame. Now we need to remove the battery. To do this, you need to heat the phone on a separator. Let's do that. I will install the display module together with the frame, because it cracked during alignment. Now we need to get this black plastic. I checked the display module behind the scenes. It works perfectly, so we will now assemble the phone. There are power buttons on the new frame, but there is no fingerprint. We will transfer it from the old frame. Remember friends, without the fingerprint button connected, the phone will not turn on. It's somehow tied to turning on the phone. The on-a screensaver will appear on your screen and the phone will not turn on. As you can see, friends, the touchscreen is now fully functional. The phone now works properly. The camera glass has also been replaced. Our phone frame is black, but there was no other one. I think that the difference in colors is not critical. We took what we had, there were no other options. I hope my videos are useful. Subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like and see you soon. Good luck with your repairs.